Whoa, third DWI? It's not just another ticket. This is a third-degree felony, folks. We're talking 2 to 10 years in prison. And here's the twist. This isn't even a trial yet. Keep your eyes on how this plays out.
Court is calling 2025 CR 003501 State versus Driving While. Could I have parties announced?
Have from the stage, Your Honor.
David Andre Woodard from Mr. Liao.
Are you Mr. Liao?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I have, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Liao, did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
I'm sorry, Judge.
Are you proceeding on the
Yes,
state?
Your Honor.
Thank you.
Sorry.
No problem. Mr. Liao, did you review the waivers and admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with driving while intoxicated third or more? That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to
Notice how calm Mr. Leo is? But don't let that poker face fool you. Behind every yes, sir, is a man facing the weight of a possible decade behind bars. What would you be thinking in that moment?
$10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call them the right to remain silent. By entering into this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, was your client able to provide you with any defenses?
He was, Judge.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does.
Do you believe he's currently competent?
Quick breakdown when the judge says, the court doesn't have to follow your plea. That means this deal isn't sealed until the gavel drops. If the judge rejects it, Leo could end up with a harsher sentence and no takebacks.
And was legally sane at the time of the offense?
He is, Judge.
Mr. Liao, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 10 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. State recommends community supervision and ignition interlock. Is that ignition interlock for full term?
I put it on there, Judge. Usually I recommend it. So I want to stop.
All right. They're recommending for half the term. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense is at the plea.
It is, Judge.
State is at the plea.
Yes, it is.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that the community supervision be for a term of 7 years. There be 10 days in the Bexar County Jail as a condition, 200 hours of community service restitution, and 2-year driver's license suspension. Did you understand that was recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Honor. No contest, Your Honor.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State exhibit as well as all this.
No objections, Judge.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We're just asking the court to follow the recommendations, Judge.
All right. Are you currently employed?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do?
I'm a quality engineering supervisor.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. There's going to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, proof of employment within 30 days. No.
Here comes the big moment. The judge is about to declare Leo guilty. This isn't just formal. This locks in his criminal record and triggers all the consequences. Watch closely how quickly things move once the plea is accepted.
Employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Ignition interlock for half the term. 10 years in prison, suspended and probated for 8 years. There's 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order 90 sober meetings in 90 days. There's to be a TAP evaluation out of custody, a referral to felony drug court, DWI education course, VIP live, 2-year license suspension. All right, with regards to the Bexar County Jail, you can either do 10 days in the Bexar County Jail or 30 days on GPS. It will be partial for employment only.
30 days should be fine.
All right, there's to be 30 days GPS, partial for employment in lieu of 10 days Bexar County Jail. For the record, the reason why the court is doing that, I don't want you to lose your employment, and also because there are health issues and overcrowding at the jail. There's to be a $2,000 fine. That will be probated. Probation, is there anything else? Thank you. Field visits 1 time per month for 6 months.
And Judge, at each gift, what day do you want to install?
What's the soonest it can be installed?
I believe he currently has it in his vehicle, Judge.
A week, Judge?
No, the GPS.
Oh, GPS. I thought you said it.
Within a week? What date do you want probation?
The 17th, Judge.
All right, the GPS is to be installed by July 17th at 5 p.m. If that GPS is not installed, that's a violation of your conditions of probation. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. You're one of those people who can't drink alcohol. I have yet, in defense, I don't think you've ever had a client who said, my intention was to become intoxicated, hit somebody, pick up a DWI, or kill somebody. But that happens every day. And when you're out there driving, do you have children?
I have one daughter, Your Honor.
What is her age?
22 years old.
22? All right, so here's the thing. How would you like it if your daughter is out there driving, minding her business, not intoxicated?
This is where the judge steps out of the legal robe and into reality. Listen closely. This isn't just about punishment. It's about impact. 22-year-old daughter, a man with a job, and a decision that could have ended someone else's life.
Intoxicated, and you or someone like you comes along and ends up hitting her because you're drinking and driving.
Yes, Your Honor. I understand. It's terrible.
Yeah, so you cannot drink at all. And when you're on probation, you're not allowed to drink alcohol. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
And that GPS, you're only allowed to go to work, nowhere else. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
So if you're driving home and you're like, oh, let me stop at the HEB, it's on the way, that's a violation. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, probation will go over conditions with you. Good luck.
Thanks, Judge.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
All right, everyone, the court is going on recess. Anyone who has a plea agreement, I can take it up at during the trial. So you all can continue to confer. Everyone else, do not ask the court coordinator to say.
And just like that, it's over. But here's the real question. Is Leo lucky or just on borrowed time? There's a ripple effect. What would justice look like to you in a case like this?